Welcome, Monster Truck fans, to this unboxing and review of Hot Wheels Bigfoot 4x4 Monster Trucks. And also we're going to take a look back at 29 years ago when they came out with Bigfoot in the Hot Wheels version. So let's go ahead and check these out. First off, we're going to start with the one from last year in 2019 when Bigfoot came back into the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. So there we have the box art. It's nice to see Bigfoot on the box art in the front. It's a die-cast metal body. Comes with a crushable car here. And then here's some facts on the back and the other trucks that were in the mix. So we get Connect cars back in 2019 when this came out. So let's go ahead and rip this open. So yes, back in 2019, it was 28 years ago that Bigfoot came out in Hot Wheels. First off, here is the Connect car that you can connect and smash if you want down. And here is Bigfoot. It's beautiful design of the old school Bigfoot truck. It has Monster Trucks on the back here, Summit Racing, Hot Wheels logo, the Firestone logo, the little Bigfoot, the Bigfoot 4x4x4 on the door, and coming forward then. Very nicely done in the front. Chrome out, and then the engine up top. Pretty neat. And then the other side. And then it has these tires that are white. And then also the wheels are a little bit different. They changed it up for the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. And in the back we have Bigfoot on the tailgate. Now I said 28 years ago was when Hot Wheels came out with Bigfoot and they made a license agreement. So this is now 29 years since we're in 2020, and so 29 years ago this was a Bigfoot racer that came out, and there was different ones. You could get the one with the tall 10-foot tall tires. They also had the Fast Tracks monster truck, and you can do a lot with this. Take it off. Real simple. And back then you could put the two tires together. They would connect just like that, and you could have two tires on each wheel. So that was pretty neat also what they did back then. So here we go now with the new one here in 2020. I found this one at Target. And over here it has Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live, 5 of 6. I'm just really interested in getting the Bigfoot trucks. So this is a little bit different. Down below they show you how to make the crushable car, just like the ones that they used to do for Monster Jam. Not gonna take a whole lot of time with that, but let's take a look at this Bigfoot. Pretty awesome design to see Bigfoot in this way with an old school body look to it. We have the Hot Wheels logo back there. Probably it's supposed to say Hot Wheels Monster Trucks back there. The little Bigfoot, Firestone down below, Summit Racing equipment, the Bigfoot 4x4 on the door. Then in the front, nice looking detail on the front and Bigfoot. Turn it around to the other side. And then to the back, Bigfoot on the tailgate. Now I kind of didn't like how they had the white chassis. So I would have liked to seen it with black. They did it that way because of the monster truck that had a classic styling put onto a modern truck body, and Darren Schnell was the driver. I think it's number 19 hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing with 3 Bigfoots. Well, this one was already unboxed, but I never got around to the Hot Wheels version of the Bigfoot racer truck. It was very, very few out there, and a lot of expensive also to try to get. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the Bigfoots.